So, good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you something regarding the goodwill treatment and calculation of gaining ratio in retirement of partner chapter from your NCERT book. So, I am Kamal Kishore Agrawal from Holy Hearts Educational Academy. So, I am starting with the topic that is concerned with goodwill treatment. As we have previously seen in admission chapter, what the goodwill means. So, goodwill is an intangible asset of the firm that is earned by the effort of all the partners of the firm. Now we are dealing with the retirement chapter. So in this case, all partners means A, B, C. Suppose A, B, C are running their business. So all the partner of the firm, after retirement of a partner, the fruits of the past performance and reputation will be shared only by the remaining partners. Suppose students A, B, C are the partner. B retire if. So A and C will going to continue the firm. So they will be treated as remaining partner in the firm, A and C. B retired from the firm, so he will be treated as retired partner. Thus, the remaining partner should compensate the retiring partner by entitling him share of firm goodwill. So what it means, when any partner retire, he has contributed his effort in making the good profit concerned. He has contributed and his effort concerned with his ability to generate profit in the firm till he retired. So old partner means remaining partner compensate the retired partner by him or her as a share of firm goodwill. So the journal entry will be remaining partners capital account debit to retiring partners capital account. Yes student, remaining partner means A and B, and retiring partner means, in our case A, B, C are the partner, B is retiring. So A's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to B's capital account because B is retiring. So you can see, and this is to be done in which ratio? Gaining ratio. So in next slide you can see what do you mean by gaining ratio. It is a ratio which continue partner acquiring the share of profit from outgoing partner. Gaining ratio means new ratio minus old ratio. It is calculated ascertain the share of profit and loss acquired by remaining partner from the retiring partner that we have already discussed in goodwill concern. It increase the profit share of the remaining partner. सपोज बच्चों ए बी सी आर दी पार्टनर, बी रिटायर हो रहा है तो ए और सी रन करेंगे आगे चल के बिजनेस, तो उन लोगों को प्रॉफिट शेयर एंजॉय करेंगे फ्यूचर में. बट बी जब जाता है छोड़ के तो उसको उस दिन तक का जो भी गुडविल का अमाउंट जनरेट हुआ होगा वो उसका पार्ट मिल जाता है. दस रिमेनिंग पार्टनर शुड कंपेंसेट द रिटायरिंग और डिसीज पार्टनर, डिसीज मीन डेथ पार्टनर, बाय एंटाइटलिंग हिम शेयर ऑफ गुडविल. तो रिमेनिंग पार्टनर रिटायर्ड पार्टनर को गुडविल का अमाउंट उसका पार्ट देता है. आई हैव पुट वन क्वेश्चन दैट विल क्लैरिफाई योर कंसर्न. ए एम सी आर दी ए एम एंड एस थ्री पार्टनर्स आर देयर. शेयरिंग रेशियो इज 3:2:1. एम रिटायर मीन्स एम रिटायर इन द फर्म. The total goodwill of the firm valued is 1,80,000. It means 1,80,000 firm का total goodwill है. A, B, A, M and S, all three partners total goodwill valued is 1,80,000. A and S decided to share future profit ratio is 3:2. Now how to pass journal entries? I have written journal entries. A and S debited, M credited. So student, as you can see in this question, that remaining partner to retiring partner, that particular journal entry. How to calculate the amount you can see in working note. M share in total firm goodwill. Total firm goodwill is 1,80,000. In this part, M share part is 2/6. So I have written 1,80,000 into 2/6 is equal to 60,000. So M should get, M का गुडविल बनता है 60,000. M should get 60,000. अब ये 60,000 कौन देगा? क्योंकि ये प्रॉफिट कौन एंजॉय करेगा? ए एंड एस कंटिन्यू अगर बिजनेस को रन करते हैं तो M को जो भी 60,000 अमाउंट देना है वो कौन देगा? फर्म देगा. फर्म में अब कौन बचे? A एंड S. सो हाउ टू ट्रीट? वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट गेनिंग रेशियो. ये 60,000 जो M को मिलेगा वो A और S किस रेशियो में देंगे? गेनिंग रेशियो में देंगे. तो हमने कैलकुलेट किया है न्यू रेशियो माइनस ओल्ड रेशियो. A's gaining share is equal to 3/5. Yes, this is new ratio, and 3/6. This is old ratio. In the same manner, S 2/5, 1/6. So 2/5 minus 1/6 is equal to 7/30. So gaining ratio is 3:7. So how to calculate goodwill? A share in goodwill 60,000, जो 60,000 C M को मिलना है वो A 3/10 पार्ट देगा, और S को S अपने पार्ट का कितना गुडविल दे रहा है? 60,000 इंटू 7/10 इज इक्वल टू 42,000. अल्टीमेटली यू कैन सी A कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट 18,000, S कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट 12,000 टू M's कैपिटल 60,000. मीन्स ये 60,000 कौन कंपेंसेट कर रहा है? A एंड S. स्टूडेंट, in this chapter you have to prepare again revaluation account. As in admission chapter, the same thing is there. At the time of retirement of partner, it becomes inevitable to revalue the assets and liability of the firm. The revaluation is necessary to have the exact position, so revaluation account is prepared. In the case of retiring or deceased partner may be benefit or loss due to change in the value of assets and liability. तो assets and liability में वेरिएशन होता है, तो रिटायरिंग के समय ये कैलकुलेशन में होना है क्योंकि एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू प्रॉफिट का पता होना चाहिए. देयरफॉर द रीवैल्यूएशन ऑफ एसेट्स एंड लायबिलिटी इज नेसेसरी इन ऑर्डर टू ascertain the true profit and loss that is divided among all the partner. You have to remember, student, in admission chapter you have to distribute the revaluation profit and loss among old partners, but in this chapter concerned with retirement, all partners in their old ratio. You can see the format I have shown. Revaluation account, same. Increase in liabilities value shown on the debit side, increase in the assets value shown on the credit side. Decrease in the assets value shown on the debit side, decrease in the liability value shown on the credit side. Unrecorded liability are recorded on the debit side, unrecorded assets are recorded on the. In this case, प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर टू ऑल पार्टनर्स कैपिटल. मीन्स A B C पार्टनर है, B अगर छोड़ के जा रहा है, रीवैल्यूएशन का जो भी बेनिफिट होगा वो तीनों पार्टनर को मिलेगा, ना कि A और C. मतलब कि एडमिशन चैप्टर में रीवैल्यूएशन में ओल्ड पार्टनर वर्ग को बेनिफिट होता था या लॉस होता था, बट इन केस ऑफ रिटायरमेंट जब हम रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट बनाते हैं तो तीनों पार्टनर का कैलकुलेशन में होगा. तो स्टूडेंट्स, we have seen all the things related to retirement. I am providing you the notes and assignment, so please do it, and I am providing the NCERT solution concern with stepwise. So thank you, students.